and Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Innoson Vehicles Prices 2023. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited, commonly shortened to IVM, is a Nigerian automobile manufacturer headquartered in Nnewi, Anambra, Nigeria. It was founded by Chief Innocent Chukwuma Nwala. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing is nicknamed Pride of African Road. According to the company, 70% of its car parts are produced locally, while the rest are sourced from Japan, China, and Germany. On this video is for our 10 estimated prices of Innoson Vehicles Prices 2023. Number 1. IVM Aekenga, 14 million naira. Aekenga is the perfect choice for private individuals with more than 5 family members and can also be used for taxi, both short and long-distance transportation. With about 7-seater capacity, Aekenga has 2 variants, automatic and manual. With a lot more in features, safety and practicality compared to older versions of other IVM cars. Aekenga comes with user-friendly features, such as a 3D view dashboard and a DVD display screen, which were made to brighten up your everyday life. Aekenga comes with sporty and masculine nature, which is ideal companion for your every adventure. Its spacious interior gives the comfort your family needs before and after your outdoor activities. Number 2. IVM Kappa Indomitable, 17 million naira. IVM Kappa is a modern MPV that comes in 2 variants, standard and executive. It is designed to provide the comfort and strength that make your driving a wonderful experience. It has the well-suitable seating and storage space you need for an up-country journey. Explore the experience and enjoy the indomitable IVM Kappa. The engine capacity is 2.4L Mitsubishi petrol engine. Number 3. IVM G6 Carrier Pickup, 17 million naira. IVM G6 was forged in strength and comfort. This wonder is one of the latest additions among the IVM fleet of pickup trucks. It comes with enhanced features while maintaining the unique features you desire in a modern pickup truck. IVM G6 was carefully designed and masterfully built for speed, strength and comfort. The engine capacity is a 2.4L Mitsubishi petrol engine. Number 4. Innoson G12 Series, million naira. The IVM G12 is described by its manufacturer as a highly mobile and tactical pickup van with double reinforced shock absorbers that have demonstrate strength and ability to cope with military functions. The G12 with variants built to carry. The vehicle features a permanent 4x4 system and comes in long and short base, station wagon as well as twin cab configurations. The G12 with variants built to carry between 4 and 8 soldiers. Number 5. The IVM Granite, 25 million naira. The IVM Granite offers buyers more than just the garnish of luxury. It covers all of the bases with solid performance, a sturdy build and thoughtful design features that ensure a successful and comfortable drive across all terrains. If you are serious about lifting the big stuff and looking good while at it, the IVM Granite has everything you need to hit the trail. It was designed to provide the highest degree of space and comfort. It is equipped with ergonomic chairs that fit perfectly to the human body, a high-performance air conditioning system. More so, the interior equipment of the vehicle is easy to use and can be adapted according to the passenger's needs. It comes with the 4G69S4N 2.4L gasoline engine. Number 6. Innoson G80, 30 million naira. Unlike any SUV on the street, the IVM G80 owns the road. With its superb blend of advanced technology, bold styling and powerful performance, the self-confident appearance of the IVM G80 stands out in the crowd. This dynamic and luxurious SUV has a superior combination of steering response, driving comfort, sophistication and performance that are both efficient and enthusiastic. Number 7. IVM G6 SUV African Spotlight, 32 million naira. Attractive, sporty and fast can be used to describe IVM G6. Feel the aura of this work of perfection as you drive through the city and upcountry. The Innoson G6 sticks true to traditional SUV designs in a world of many crossovers SUVs. Its agile frame enables it to deliver excellently in performance and handling both off the road and around the city. Like every Innoson vehicle, it comes loaded with exciting state-of-the-art features and advanced technologies which inspires confidence and ensures comfortability on the road. IVM G6 has everything you desire out of a modern SUV. Enjoy and explore the beauty of IVM G6. The engine capacity is 2.4L Mitsubishi petrol engine. Number 8. IVM G5T, 36 million naira. Innoson Motors has unveiled a new SUV to its growing lineup called the IVM G5T. The Innoson G5T is their latest demonstration that they are ready for the future. G5T brings beauty and intelligence in one balance and is a true definition of a smart SUV. The G5T is a small-sized SUV. The exterior is modern with daytime running lights and powerful taillights. The interior is spacious as it features a 12-inch infotainment screen with the seats wrapped in leather for extra comfort. The entire dashboard oozes class as it's something a Innoson should be proud of. Number 9. IVM Idula, 43 million naira. The IVM Idula speaks to the strength and endurance of the Stoby ages. Whether you're taking on tough terrains, towing heavy loads or just cruising around town, the IVM Idula has everything you need. Unlike any pickup truck on the street, the IVM Idula owns the road. With its superb blend of advanced technology, bold styling and powerful performance, the self-confident appearance of the IVM Idula stands out in the crowd. This dynamic and luxurious SUV has a superior combination of steering response, driving comfort, sophistication and performance that are both efficient. The full-size IVM Idula pickup truck is the newest addition to Innoson's growing line of made-in-Nigeria vehicles. It has a set of big headlights, tow hooks and a front grille. Number 10. IVM G80 Bulletproof Luxury SUV, costs 72 million naira. Known as IVM G80 Midsize Luxury SUV. The Innoson IVM G80 is the first made-in-Nigeria vehicle to be used as official vehicle by any Nigerian state governor. Governors in Nigeria are known for riding vehicles made by brands like Lexus, Mercedes, Land Rover, Range Rover and Toyota Land Cruiser as official vehicles. The locally made armored IVM G80 replaces a 2014 bulletproof Toyota Land Cruiser SUV. The bulletproof IVM SUV is uniquely designed with reinforced structures to safeguard the governor against assaults from bullets, blasts and assaults. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.